It's March Allure Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside and decide, is it worth it, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room. Bandit's across the way here. You might hear him bark. Dexter's in with Chloe. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, Dollar Tree hauls, everything like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. There is no charge. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box put out by the editors of Allure Beauty Box. This is the March box. This box, if you buy it as a one-time, is kind of pricey. It's $39.99. But if you subscribe, you do get a subscribe and save price. So your first box will be $19.99, but then your next boxes will be $29.99. And that's if you do a month-to-month. If you do a 1 year, for instance, it brings it down to $23.92. That is what I'm paying for this, and I think it's a good price. You're going to get a mixture of full size and deluxe samples. And I do feel it's a pretty good value for the money that you're paying. You're always going to get your money back. I've never been concerned about that. And they have been having a one choice item, and it's a choice of shades. Okay, so we do get a little flyer. There is your sneak peek. I see a little Grown Alchemist, I believe that is. At least from the box, it looks like it. Could be wrong. Yep, Grown Alchemist. Now, the first item was the choice item. It is by Rose Inc. I've had their mascara, love it. They have a great tubing mascara. This is their blush. It's a refillable cheek and lip color. And your choices were Foxglove, Hydrangea, Azalea, or Heliotrope. Okay, so there are your 4 color choices. And I went with Hydrangea. All right, so there it is. So the pan is magnetic, so you can just get a refill of the pan. And there it is on. So it is light, but I am somewhat fair-skinned. And it's a $32 value. It does say it's a velvety formula, which it was very velvety, and I just really like a cream-based product. So right here, again, this is $32. I have already made back the price of my box and then some. So it's like everything else in here was just a bonus item. Next, by Grown Alchemist. This is their Soothing Hand Cream. And it does say that it's very good for nourishing both the palms and the cuticles. It's going to have aloe and grapeseed oil, plus a moisture-locking glycerin and sodium hyaluronic. It's in aluminum tube, and it says it is TSA friendly if you're going to travel. This is a $32 value. And let's see, it says cedarwood, lavender, and tangerine. That sounds really nice. Not the cedarwood, but hopefully the other 2 scents would help with that. Now, it is aluminum and it is sealed, but it does have the little puncture cap. This is a company out of Australia, and they use organic product. Oh, that does smell quite nice. They are cruelty-free. The next was you got one or the other, and they chose for you, and that is by Meltaway. It is their hair glycerin cream, and I got the guava butter, and this is, but it says face and body. Hair glycerin cream. What? Oh, hair removal. It's a hair removal. I'm glad I saw that. Don't put that in your hair. And you could have gotten either guava butter or mango magic. So again, I got guava butter. Ooh, it smells like Nair. okay. I don't think that's a product I'm going to be using, but maybe my kid will use it. And it is, now it says that they're best known for removing bodily hair, often with an unbearable rotten egg smell. Not this one. No, it does. At least when I opened it up, I did have that sulfur smell. It says it's going to have tropical scents reminiscent of cocktails and leave skin feeling soft and smooth. At least when I opened it up, it smelled like sulfur very strongly. I'm in an age where my hair doesn't really grow like that, for good or for bad. I don't have to shave that often, so not a product I'll use, but either my daughter will or I'll give it to my niece. But that is a $20 value, so not bad, just not something for me. All right, so that's 3 full-size product. This next also looks to be a full-size product. This is Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil, and it says that dermatologists recommend lightening your lotion load in the spring, and this face elixir makes for a pleasant replacement, made with a cocktail of nourishing seed oils like jojoba, rosehip, and marula. The antioxidant-rich hydrator deeply moisturizes with a delicate touch and feel and a surprising fast dry down. And this is a $34 value. Used to be, you got 3 full size and 2 or 3 deluxe sample, but they've been giving us more and more full size items. All right, there is how it looks. The bottle is plastic, which, I mean, sometimes I get concerned that I'm going to drop the glass bottle and it's going to break, particularly for anything that's in the shower, but that obviously wouldn't be in the shower. Next, by True Skin, is their lip liner, and this is in mulberry, so everybody got the same color. It says to use it as at a slight angle for your best results. All right. And that's a $26 value. So 5 full-size items. And then we have 2 samples. The first is the Keratin Calming Water Pad, and this is by Skin Food. So it's a toner, and this would obviously be one use. You're going to leave this on, oh, wait a minute. It's not a toner. Well, it says toners aren't what they used to be 10 to 20 years ago. After cleansing, place sheets directly onto cheeks or forehead, leave on 5 to 10 minutes, snap a selfie, and then pat in the essence excess. It is $19 for 60 pads. There are 2 in here. And I guess on the back it's got a carrot with like 2 little things on its cheeks, so it's 2 little pads that you're just going to leave on. And then last is Lumi. Now, I love Lumi. This is the deodorant that I use. This is their soft powder, and this is a perfect size for your bag or your backpack. So I can tell you it works. I absolutely love it. It is my absolute all-time favorite deodorant because it lasts all day. All right, so what was your thoughts? I think overall this is a great box. I'm pretty happy with everything in it. I'm not going to use one item in there. Otherwise, I think if you've never used Lumi, this is a great way to try it. So, because it is a more expensive deodorant, but that being said, it lasts, and doesn't have any of those ingredients that are bad for your skin. So if you are interested in the box, you'll get to try it. It is still available until probably around the end of the month, and then obviously they would be doing the April one. But let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.